To solve this equation, first look at this fraction. 13 divided by 13 is 1. 26 divided by 13 is 2. So it becomes, let me write it here, first fraction x over 2 minus 13 over 26 over 1 over 2 plus, this is going to be 1 over 2, I write it here, this is left hand side, right hand side, 26. In this moment, I'm going to work on this fraction. Dividing by 1 over 2 is same as multiplying by 2. So I'm going to multiply this part by 2. It is going to be, let me write here, 2 times x over 2 minus 13 over 26 plus 1 over 2 equals 26. Next, 2 times x over 2, I write it here, 2 times x over 2 minus 2 times 13 over 26, this is this one, plus 1 over 2 left hand side equals 26. 2 on top, 2 bottom can be cancelled off. So first step is going to be x, I write it here, x. This 2 times 13, 26, divided by 26 is 1, minus 1, plus this 1 over 2, left hand side, equals right hand side, 26. Now, in this moment, combine these two numbers together. Negative 1 plus 1 over 2 is negative 1 over 2. I write here x minus 1 over 2 equals 26. Now, to solve this, move this negative 1 over 2 to the right side. Do not forget, it becomes positive 1 over 2. So I write x equals 26 plus 1 over 2. As you know, 1 over 2 is same as 0.5. So the answer is going to be x equals 26.5. And this is your answer.